Okay, so taking a look. Okay, so first of all, we have a possible big snowstorm in the Northeast. We are expecting it to dump a bunch of snow on Maine and the surrounding states up there. So taking a look at what we got going on right now, we do have a bunch of troughs. Here's our trough of interest right here, which is going to eject to the Northeast and deepen and bring all of that snow to the area. You can see we do have another shortwave trough right here, dipping down through the Midwest across central Indiana. We also have a cutoff low spinning in northwestern Mexico, and you can see our next trough coming down right here, as well as a couple shortwaves just off of the west coast. So taking a look just at the different models here and comparing them a little bit, a couple things to note here. We do obviously want to note the strength of the low and also the position of it. So stronger lows means it means you're going to be able to wrap more cold air around itself. It's going to bring more cold air farther south. And also a stronger low is going to lead to more cooling aloft, more ascent, stuff like that, which leads to higher snowfall totals. So here we are here, the GFS, actually let's take a look at the NAM, depicting a 995 low, and then as we step forward into early Saturday afternoon, this is at noon, right, this low is expected to deepen and bring all that snow to the Northeast. So just taking a look at our different solutions here, the Canadian is a bit of an outlier. The NAM depicting a slightly stronger, just by 1 millibar and farther northward low than the HER, and also the GFS is actually a little bit stronger. We do have a little bit of warm air here in the GFS, which is causing this to be sleet. That's our temperature profile. If we just take a quick look at it sounding out of there, you can see, yeah, I mean, just a little bit over freezing at the surface. So it is a little bit warmer there, which is leading to the sleet solution. The HER, yeah, with something similar. The NAM is a little bit colder there. Yeah, and then the Canadian, again, is an outlier solution here. Okay, so let's step forward even more. This is Saturday evening, right? This probably will not look like this. Our sleet line, if there is one, is probably going to be bordering on the rain here. But the NAM obviously a little bit colder and a little bit heavier in terms of the snow. Just pulling up a sounding out of the NAM. Yeah, I mean yeah, freezing all the way down to the surface. So that's a snow profile all the way. Yeah, and then just stepping forward even more, GFS depicting a 979 low. HER's a little bit stronger, NAM just a little bit stronger. Yeah, depicting just tons of snowfall really across Maine and northwestern Maine. But really this whole area is going to get creamed. So what I want to do is go ahead and take a look at model depicted snowfall cover. We're just going to look at the Euro for now. Yeah, okay, so actually we're going to look at the GFS, because it just has everything that I want to look at with. Yeah, okay, so first of all, a couple things about snow totals. Yeah, the model offers a 10-to-1 ratio. Snow totals, the snowfall ratio is usually between 8-to-1 and 12-to-1. So 10-to-1 is just a super general kind of vague depiction, right? It's more likely than not going to be inaccurate. Kuchara is a little bit better, or Kuchera, just because it uses the thermodynamic profile of the atmosphere to make its forecast. So something called the dendritic growth zone, which is where snowflakes form. Basically, the colder that is, the more snowfall the model gives. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at storm total snowfall on the Euro from this. Or sorry, the GFS, excuse me. So yeah, the GFS depicting by Saturday evening into Sunday, right? pretty heavy snow. And then as the system moves into Maine, as that nor'easter tracks up the East Coast, you see higher snowfall totals in southwestern Maine and northern, what is that, Delaware? New Hampshire. Northern New Hampshire. So yeah, let's take a look at a couple other solutions. Let's see if there's an ensemble solution. Oh yeah, perfect. It's too bad. Yeah, ensembles are actually a good thing to look at here. Yeah, I mean, just showing your heaviest snow here across northwestern Maine. One other thing that we can look at too, maybe we should compare models, is snow depth. Snow depth is like a little bit more accurate than, I would say, the other types of snow maps, just because it accounts for like melting and I think snow being packed down and stuff like that. So, yeah. So, okay, yeah, this is our snow depth, right? Can I do a regional? Yeah, I can. Okay, so here's our snow depth comparison. As we step into Sunday, yeah, tons of snow, really up to 12 to 15 inches in some place being predicted for parts of the state, which is in line with what the National Weather Service is forecasting. So, yeah, that's the GFS, and then you take a look at the Canadian. The Canadian again is a big outlier solution here. The Canadian is not the model to look at here. There's a GFS high res now. Yeah, this is about where the National Weather Service has spots of 15 inches. They have one here and here. Just I think there's more ascent there, more overlap of ascent and moisture, which is what's going to give you your strongest snowfall totals. Taking a look at the NAM. The NAM, it does have actually a bit of a southward extent, or a southward concentration of the snow, when the other models have more of a northward forecast. I think that it's more likely that the Euro and the GFS are more accurate with this than the NAM. Yeah, just taking a quick look also what the National Weather Service has. So yeah, this is the National Weather Service forecast. So really ranging anywhere from 8 to 15 inches in here. So and then again, there's spots here where you get ascent and yeah, stuff like that, and moisture, I guess, overlapping. So yeah, a couple heavier spots, but yeah, overall Maine, it looks like it's gonna get slammed pretty hard with well upwards of 8 to 10 inches, going all the way up to 15. And then yeah, just taking a step ahead, highest concentration here, kind of in the northern part of the state. So yeah, that's just a quick look at what we potentially got going on. So we'll keeping track of that, but yeah, hopefully people in Maine are about it.